Hey, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, and I wanted to go over a few helpful hints, do's, and don'ts that after you get hurt on the job, some things you really ought to consider. And this is coming from the years of experience that we have in helping injured workers, people who have potential either workers' compensation claims or they have personal injury claims, depending on the situation. Most of the time, when someone is injured on the job, the company they work for, they're going to do the right thing. If they have workers' comp insurance, they're going to steer the injured worker in that direction, and they'll go start getting medical care through the process, and hopefully things will be just fine. They'll get the proper medical care and eventually go back to work. And hopefully they take care of what they're supposed to under the law. However, that's not always the case, and that sometimes leads to us becoming involved in the matter. The injured worker isn't always fully informed. Sometimes they're told by the insurance company that they must sign release paperwork so all of the medical records can be ordered and the like. But we've often found that that's just a fishing expedition. They'll get other medical records that go into the past just looking for reasons to deny the claim. Sometimes the company, the employer, will convince the injured worker that they really need to give a statement or to do certain things that really are giving away their rights. So if you have any questions or concerns about that, you really need to be consulting an experienced work comp attorney who can advise you what you really should or shouldn't be doing. A couple of other things that come to mind: that when you meet with the doctors, don't over exaggerate your injuries. Tell the doctors what's hurting, where it hurts, be very thorough about that. But these are experienced doctors, and they can see through some of the claims or some of the claims that are being exaggerated or really aren't part of the injuries or the accident that's being talked about. I don't think that it's very wise to secretly tape your medical appointments. I think that someone who's not experienced in that, things can go terribly wrong and it hurts your credibility. There are other things such as to take into consideration is when you're asked by the doctors, when you're asked by the supervisors at work, management, HR, tell the truth. Don't lie about your medical improvement or lack of medical improvement. Be upfront. Always tell the truth. That's the easiest path. It's the path that'll help at the end of the case keep credibility for the injured worker, and hopefully it won't lead to litigation or a trial. That there are things that really, I know that these are some generalities, and there's many other things to take into consideration. But if you do have questions or concerns about how to communicate, what to sign, what not to sign, give us a call. This is what we do. Be glad to walk you through it and help you through these stressful time of your life. We can be reached at 205-930-6900, nomberglaw.com, Facebook, Twitter, as well as YouTube.